We also show them exercises that can increase the bone density. For example, walking is good, and also even ballroom dancing is actually good for increase the bone density to promote better bone health.
Learn about how chiropractic helps resolve complex health issues like osteoporosis. Next. Hello, special friends, and welcome to our show, Chiropractic, the hand-based healing art, with Dr. Chen Tsui-Fei, part 2 of 2. Since her youth, Dr. Chen has always had the desire to help relieve people's suffering and discomfort. Dr. Chen earned a medical degree from Zhongshan Medical University in Taichung, Taiwan, also known as Formosa. She started her healing path at Taoyuan Ministry Hospital in Formosa, where she received professional rehabilitation training that included acupuncture, osteopathic manipulation, as well as neurology and X-ray interpretation. The good doctor has been vegan since college and practiced meditation as taught by Supreme Master Ching Hai for nearly 20 years. Currently, she is the head of a rehabilitation clinic and has found it very helpful to apply many of the spiritual principles she has learned into her profession. She takes many challenging cases, including those involving developmentally disabled children, persons with occupational and sports injuries, stroke patients, and those with degenerative joint ailments. Seeing her patients recover and return to their normal lives brings her great reward. Because of her immense love and compassion, Dr. Chen has touched the lives of many, helping each patient to recover and regain their health, well-being, and self-confidence to continue living their best life possible.
欢迎可敬的观众，我是陈翠斐医师，来自台湾。台湾又称福尔摩沙，福尔摩沙钦佩您，为了后代子孙，自力改善我们的地球。在今天的节目中，我们想与您分享如何拥有健康与身心平衡的生活，包括维持强壮的骨骼肌肉系统。骨质密度降低，引发骨质疏松的一个重要因素就是高龄。骨质疏松症患者需要仔细选择运动的类型，以免造成骨折。这也是脊骨神经医学所被质疑的一个问题。对骨骼脆弱者是否安全？脊骨神经医学的治疗是否适用于骨质疏松症患者？我们来听听昆正医师的看法。他是齿唇术的职业针灸师兼脊骨神经医师，他目前担任美国纽泽西州附属健康中心的临床主任。
Frequently, we see patients coming with osteoporosis or osteopenia. Basically, is a condition with bone loss. Certainly, we can treat those patients because chiropractic treatment is not about cracking bones or giving adjustments. There are many things we can do. For example, those people with osteoporosis, a lot of times there's pain involved. And we can do MRT, muscle release technique. We can do ultrasound. We can also do electrical muscular stimulation. All those will relieve the tension of the muscle, and then there's pain relief. In that case, we don't really have to be concerned about by getting adjustment, there might be a fracture. That's usually the concern of those patients. They're thinking they might get a fracture or the condition might be aggravated. And that will not happen because we know how to treat those conditions. Frequently, those people come in, they also ask for advice in regarding how to improve their conditions. And in our clinic, we have Chinese herbal medicine. We also provide nutritional therapy, and we'll advise those patients who have osteoporosis to change their diet especially to include food that's rich in calcium. We also show them exercises that can increase the bone density. For example, walking is good, and also even ballroom dancing is actually good for increase the bone density to promote better bone health. For those with osteoporosis, the focus of the treatments will be active care. Active care means we will educate patients how to change their lifestyle to correct the condition. The patient will be educated about getting required nutrients and have therapeutic exercises to cure the condition. Exercise like Tai Chi, yoga, and weight-bearing exercise will really help the condition.
关医师的诊所采用全方位的方式照顾及指导每位患者，尽可能改变生活方式，来完美的解决困扰他们的健康问题。要改善健康的状况，不能只依靠治疗脊骨神经，或定期接受医护人员帮助。我们在日常生活中如何对待自己的身体才是最重要的。
Most people come in for pain syndrome or high blood pressure or headache, lower back pain, sciatica. Most conditions are caused by their work, stress, and poor eating habit, lacking of exercise. So frequently, we will encourage patients to make a lifestyle change. That means they will be advised to eat better, to be more selective for the meals they will be eating. People with weight issue, certainly we will show them how they can lose weight by eating better. Avoid easy carbohydrates, avoid excessive amount of animal proteins, animal fat. In my opinion, the best way to lose weight is to follow a plant-based diet. People frequently wonder how they can lose weight, or they ask me how they can do a detox. And I usually tell them the most natural way to lose weight or to detox is just to eat vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds, and all that. That means plant-based diet is a very effective way, natural way of doing detox or to achieve the goal of weight loss. In addition to that, exercise is very important.
我们先休息一会儿，呼吸一些新鲜的空气，稍后为您继续介绍有趣的脊骨神经医学，请锁定无伤视电视台。欢迎回到本节目《脊骨神经医学》，陈翠斐医师介绍徒手疗法2级之2。类似大多数整体医疗法，脊骨神经医学着重于健康的生活方式，这是决定寿命长短以及衰老速度的重要因素。关医师现在要为我们介绍一些有效的保健方法。
Chiropractic treatments certainly can help to slow down the aging process. And why do we say that? As we talked about earlier, we emphasize active care and also patient education. That means we can help to slow down the aging process by advising patients to have lifestyle change. That means going to bed early. That's huge. People come in, they're saying they have low energy and poor concentration, headache, or PMS, all those conditions. And frequently I ask them, what time do you go to bed? A lot of times they say they go to bed at 1 a.m. or 2 a.m., sometimes even 3. So that is a huge problem for most people when they don't go to bed at a decent time. And they don't realize that is the cause of a lot of health problems they're having. For example, a student came in the other day, and I asked her, how long has she been suffering from this condition? She was telling me that she has been having nightmare and having headache, neck pain, and all those conditions have really affected her school performance. So one simple question that I asked her was, what time do you go to bed? And she said she will stay up late till 2 a.m. almost every night. And I said, try to go to bed before 11 and let me know how you're feeling next time. And next time she came in, obviously, she said the conditions is much better now. She had less headache. Obviously, that's thanks to our treatments. And also, the lifestyle change is huge. After she changed the habits by going to bed early, that gave the body the time that it needs to repair, to refresh. And then after that, she experienced better energy and less headache, better concentration. So go back to our question about how we can slow down the aging process. In addition to going to bed at a proper timing, eating well is huge. By avoiding eating junk food, processed food, and too much sugary food, and also avoid dairy is very helpful. A lot of times people don't realize those dairy products can induce internal inflammation. That's why many people are suffering from joint pain or poor digestion, IBS. All those could be caused by having too much cheese or yogurt even. So if they can make a change in eating better and going to bed early and then exercise on a regular basis, I'm sure that will slow down the aging process. Then there will be a happy patient.
感谢关医师分享有关脊骨神经治疗的精辟见解，希望大家都听从关医师推荐的实际措施，例如采取纯植物饮食，并充分休息，享受最健康、旺盛及充满活力的人生。关正医师的详细资讯，请参访 prosperityhealthcenter.com。感谢光彩耀眼的观众收看我们今天的节目。接下来播出师徒之间和平计划的落实6级制5，愿我们永葆纯真高尚的思想，秉持和善待人接物。Thank you, splendid viewers, for your company today on our program. Up next is Every Peaceful Plan Will Be Done, Part 5 of 6, on Between Master and Disciples. May we always have pure, uplifting thoughts and spread kindness all around us.
For more details, please visit suprememastertv.com/HL.